Hey wait, I'm coming! Hello creative companion, I'm Kat Wild and today we draw a New Zealand fossil. You need watercolor paper, a pencil, a rubber, washi tape, a palette, watercolors, water and some brushes, a paper knife and a white gel pen. We start with fixing the paper with the washi tape on the table. Start with a small bow for the mouth, then we sketch a long bow on the right side. As a next step, we sketch a vertical line on the left side and then in the last third we sketch a line into the body. Then we sketch the left fin. The right fin is following. With two lines that remind me of a triangle, we sketch the rest of the body. The back fin is just a thin line. This was the sketch. Easy, isn't it? As usual, we erase the sketch with a rubber. First we are grounding the seal with a dark blue that we are lightening with water. Then we mix Van Dyke brown with dark blue and give the seal a second layer. After that we take the same color for the shadows of the seal and the details, as the nose, the eye and the ear. Then we draw little thin lines on the seal to give an idea of the fur, also with the same color. As next step we take the Van Dyke brown and add some brown highlights on the fur. For the whiskers we take a white gel pen. Finally, we will let the New Zealand fur seal dry and I tell you some fun facts about them. You only find them around rocky coasts. Female seals can dive for 9 minutes and male for 15 minutes, but they are mostly diving for around 2 minutes for catching their food. The earliest seal babies start diving with 6 months and the latest with 10 months. So now it's time for the highlight with the paper knife. If you like, you can scrap very carefully some colors out of the paper for creating some light reflections. If it felt too dangerous for you, then skip the step. Now we work on the background. For that we first watering the paper. Then we take the color we want to use. I for myself use ochre and draw a lot of it at the bottom of the paper. As a next step we take water and blend the color to the upper end of the paper, so you can create a fading background. This is our finished fur seal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay creative and I see you next time. Bye!